The wait is finally over. The results of the State of JavaScript were just released, and this one is full of surprises. Starting with the front-end frameworks, this year marks a huge milestone for Vue. For the first time ever, it looks like Vue is surpassing Angular as the second most used framework. Vue is kind of an underdog, mostly because it doesn't enjoy the benefits of being backed by a huge tech company. However, it is proving time and time again that it has one of the best ecosystems and communities out there. React is leading this chart, of course, but what's more interesting is that the new wave of frameworks are slowly getting more traction. Svelte, Solid and Qwick are all on an upward trend, and HTMX gets an honorable mention, of course. When it comes to interest, there are 4 trends I find really interesting. First, despite the wide adoption, React is continuing to lose points here. Angular, on the other hand, is doing something right. After years of decreased interest, things are finally turning around. It looks like after all the time and effort put into Signal's reactivity, the standalone mode and the new control flow, things are paying off. Svelte is leading the chart, which isn't a surprise, but both Solid and Qwick are on a downward trend. The meta framework space has 2 main takeaways. Next.js is leading by far when it comes to usage. What's interesting though is that Astro seems to be a plausible alternative, doubling its usage in the last year while leading the interest trend. Of course, the Vue guys are silently winning here as well, with Nuxt getting the second spot on the list. Things are similar in the build tools section as well. Webpack is by far the most used, and it doesn't look like it's going anywhere anytime soon, while Vite enjoys a fast increase in adoption while leading the interest chart. The JavaScript runtime usage results were another big surprise for me. Of course, everybody uses Node. However, the second most used runtime, excluding the browser, is Bun. Finally, it's always interesting to see what other languages the JS community is using. Surprisingly, HTML is not on this list. If you want to learn more about some of the promising frameworks and tools discussed here, you can check some of my other videos. Until next time, thank you for watching.